Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to do a print-on-demand design tutorial, and I'll show you how to create products that sell like crazy on Shopify with print-on-demand. We'll jump right into it, and this is all about the design aspect of print-on-demand, and I'll teach you the exact right way to do it. You already know that print-on-demand is by far the best business model online today. Your only inventory, since you're never having to touch the product, you're never having to order it up front, you're never having to store it in a warehouse or anything like that, your only inventory would be the actual designs that you place on your items. Super easy. And we know that designs, they're not going to take up any space. They're just literally inside of our designer, on our hard drive, however we want to create them. And I'll show you how to do that in this video. I'll show you how to create the perfect print-on-demand design in many different ways. And you might think there's only one way to do it. I'll show you multiple different ways that people are absolutely crushing it right now with designing print on demand. But first, I want to talk about Gelato Print on Demand. I highly recommend Gelato, and you're going to see them in action in this video. You need to have a trustworthy print on demand partner, and that's why you're going to want to use Gelato. You can check out my other videos. I have tons of other videos on step-by-step installation and different products and how to start different niches and really how to do everything with Gelato Print on Demand. So make sure you check my YouTube channel for all those step-by-step tutorials. But I'm going to jump right into the Gelato Designer. I'm going to show you how you could literally create high-end designs right inside of your Print on Demand app. You're not going to need to go anywhere else other than right inside there. I'll show you how to do upload designs as well. And we're going to do this all inside of the Gelato Shopify Print on Demand app. And we're going to go over the shoulder now. We'll go step by step. I'm going to walk you through Gelato and walk you through how to make these super high-end, super high-converting designs. So you see the link below, and this is Gelato, and it's going to be all about print on demand for your e-com business. And I'll show you how to get this set up inside of Shopify. But the best part about Gelato, 90% of all orders are produced locally. 90% of all orders arrive within 5 days because they have over 140 different print providers across 32 different countries. So you're always going to get local expedited delivery. It's going to allow you to build a huge worldwide brand. And when you sign up for Gelato with my link, you're going to get 50% off your first order. Super easy to do. All you need to do is click sign up now. I'll show you exactly how to connect your store. You're going to get that world's largest print-on-demand network. You'll be able to literally sell globally and produce locally. Like I said, so many different printing facilities worldwide, 60 plus logistics partners to make sure that product delivery is always fast and on time. High quality products, endless creativity with tons of Shutterstock images, one-click integration. I'll show you exactly how to connect it to Shopify right now. All you need to do is just jump right in. You see the link directly below this video. Click on Start Selling, sign up, get your 50% off offer. I'm going to log into my account, and I'm going to show you how to connect your store. So inside of your account, you'll get to your dashboard here. Once you sign up with that link below the video, you click on Stores. And you can go over here, you see the different platforms that you can connect your Gelato account with. We're going to, of course, do Shopify. When we press connect, it's going to bring us right over into the Shopify App Store. See over here, free to install, easy to get started in here. All we're going to have to do is press the install button. This is going to bring us back over into our Shopify store where we simply give permission for Gelato to install the app in Shopify. Nothing technical needed at all. All we need to do that and we're good to go. So we have a Gelato account and we've now connected our Shopify store. We could jump into the catalog and take a look at everything that we could add. So we'll go ahead and press publish your first product. This is going to bring us into our product catalog. And Gelato has hundreds of high quality products. You see all these different categories, of course, things like clothing and apparel, but we also have the super popular wall art. This is where you're going to find things like canvas prints and posters and acrylic prints, calendars, cards, photo books, hats, phone cases, so much more. They have high quality brands as well, like Under Armour and Nike. You could really do it all with Gelato. I'm going to show you how to design things. So we're just going to come into the t-shirts over here. And of course, you see a ton of different type of t-shirts. We'll come into one of the best sellers and we'll select the Gildan 5000. And once you select a product, it doesn't matter which product you select, you're going to be brought into the Gelato Designer. And this is really one of the best parts of the app here. There are so many tools that allow us, even if we're not designers, even if we have no artistic skill and we don't know how to use Photoshop and We don't use Canva, and we don't, have a history of drawing things or anything like that. It doesn't matter. With Gelato, you'll be able to create high-end t-shirts, high-end wall canvas, high-end hoodies, high-end design on any print-on-demand product you want. So we see some of the product options over here. Of course, you have your different print techniques and your different sizes, and we'll want to add all those sizes into our store. I'm going to go with a black color t-shirt over here, but feel free to experiment with lots of other ones. And obviously, you could select multiple colors at once if you want. You could select, let's say you want to do blue and red and black. You could do all those at once. You see the different variants that are adding over here. So we're going to come over here and, just select one to make things easy. Go with this royal blue. And of course, you have your traditional print-on-demand upload design. So let's say you want to go with working with a designer. You would go to somewhere like Upwork or Fiverr, and you'd find a graphic designer, and you'd say, hey, I want to create a shirt about dogs, and I want it to say, I love dogs, and I want there to be a graphic about a dog, and I want it to look like this, right? Certainly, you could do that. That's one way to do it. All you need to do is click Drop Your Design here. It's going to allow you to upload your design files. You might see something that you've created, and you have a print-on-demand file from your designer. You upload it right here, and you could simply just drag it right onto the shirt. So we can go over here and select our shirt, right? Maybe this is something that was designed by a designer. You could put it right on there. So that's one way to have designs on your shirt. But you notice all these other sections. We're on the files section right here. But we have all these other sections like text, right? What if we just want to go ahead and add in our own text? We don't want to work with a designer. We can come over here and add in text. And you see that this immediately gives the personalization option. One of the best parts about Gelato, you could allow the customer to customize this text. One example might be something like, you put in your name. And you could have a shirt that they literally customize with their name in it. But we're not going to do that in that example. But I actually have a great video on personalization with Gelato on my YouTube. Point is here, we could design our own shirt with typography. So how about we do something like this and... Okay, we can come over here and select different fonts. And you see we could literally scroll through here and we just see font after font. We're in alphabetical order here, only at B. All right, we could just scroll through here and you say, I want to try crimson text, and maybe that looks good. Maybe you want to change the size to be a little bit bigger. Maybe you want to change the color to go red. And right, you have all these different options in terms of what you want to do. Right, text, one way to design your shirt. Right? And you could have a shirt just based on different typographies. We can come over here, add another text, and put it over here, from the Senior family. And now all of a sudden you have a customized holiday shirt, right? And they could, of course, change the text. So that's one basic example over here. And of course, you can combine anything that I'm going to show you here into multiple layers. You could have text, you could have images, but I'm going to show you more. We have templates where you could save your design templates, come back over here and basically reuse them. That's powerful. Over here, graphics, though. You have an entire library of graphics, literally ready to go inside of Gelato. You want to search for something? No problem. You want to find holidays? They've got them all categorized. You want to find different niches, right? You want to do the super popular cat niche or the dog niche. Ready to go designs right here, right now. So maybe we want to go with something like that. And you say, I don't like it in white. I don't like it in black. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. No problem. You could just change it to white. Right? You have full control over everything right inside of the designer. You don't need to be some type of crazy expert, designer or anything like that, right? You just have your product ready to go because we have all of these different graphics ready for you to just click on and add. Okay, maybe I'll add this one as well. We could have a bunch of different cats over here. So I'll make a little cat combination shirt. Okay, and let's go back over here, add some text. Okay, and we can get our little I love cats. Center this over here. Maybe we'll keep that black. So, they're basically, you design your own shirt, no design skill needed. And this is just a random example that I put together. And you say, I don't like this in black. Well, no problem. You just change it over here, and you can change this to white, and we could change this one to white, and maybe we'll change this one to light purple, and we can change this text color. We'll go over here, right? Got a little bit of a design going here. So I don't like this font, no problem. Come over here, we'll pick a new font. How about we go and we pick a nice bold font. So you see something that looks like that. Move it around as much as you want, change the size. So full design capabilities. You've got the ability to have layers as well. So if you wanted to have things on top of each other, right? We could do stuff like that. Really easy to kind of play around and mess around with the layering there. And you see this is the top layer, so it's going to go on top of any design you see over here. You can mess around with that. Put this below, right? You see the text go on top. So layering system, kind of similar to what they have in things like Photoshop, now available to you right inside of the designer. We talked about personalization as well. This is a really great way to take your design to the next level. You're allowing the customer to customize things. And we have the options here of what they want to customize. For example, they're going to be able to customize the I Love Cats section. We could even add character count limits. Let's say so they could only put in 15 letters or 20 letters or whatever you want inside there. And we'll go back up here to 15. And you could even change it. Put your name here. You know, you could put whatever you want inside of this section. You want to make sure that everything fits nicely. So go ahead and just shift this down a little bit. And you see it all nicely works as your design. And this doesn't have to just be a t-shirt. You could do the same thing for anything, even wall canvas or stuff like that. Now I'm in the designer for a canvas product, and these are super popular. You see you have different sizes over here, and the big ones are great to sell because you could sell them for a huge, huge profit margin. So I'm going to go ahead and select one of the bigger ones over here. So now, of course, we have some options like our print wrap and our thickness, right? We can go slim or thick in terms of our product here. We could have vertical or horizontal orientation, really just depends on how you want to have your design. So what we're going to have over here, of course, we have our files and the things, but I want to show you down here. We have layouts. And this is a really cool way to create like a collage type layout. This works with t-shirt, but it works really well in things like canvas prints. And of course, it works with hoodies and cell phone cases. You see the ability now that we've created this little grid. And there's all these different grid options, and we click into them. They're individual frames where we could then add things. So we add photos, or we add designs, or we add whatever we want. I'm just going to be adding some random things in here, of course. It's just for example's sake. But you see, this is kind of one layout that we have here. And I like this idea because with layouts, you could really, kind of include multiple things. You want to include multiple photos. You want to include multiple names. You want to include multiple graphics and all these different layouts. You see it right here. Right? And I really like the way that this looks because it's nice and clean. So you also have the undo button over here, which is always really powerful. And you can go through all that to kind of go through. But I'm going to show you another thing here, Shutterstock. Okay, and this is a Gelato Plus feature here. Going to give you the ability to go through the literally 4 million in this category of nature, just one category, of stock imagery. All you need to do is literally search, and we could put in cats. Shutterstock images now available, 127,000 cat-related images. Right, we can go through here. You want to make this your canvas print, no problem. You just simply collect or click that photo to select it. We'll be able to add that directly to our canvas. You could add text on top of that. You could also add different shapes, lines, everything available here. It all goes right on the canvas. And remember, you don't need any design experience to do all this. You want to make a wall print with, I don't know, how about we say dogs this time? You want to make a dog store with wall prints? Well, you have 219,945 potential images to use. You don't need to even talk to a designer or anything like that. They're just ready to go. So a lot of different design ways inside of Gelato. All of these that I showed you require no technical skill. They require no hiring of a designer. You can create your own design just with the tools that they show you right here in your Gelato Designer. So that was Gelato. Highly, highly recommended. Can make a ton of money in this business, and it's super easy to use the designer and really jump right in and get some awesome products in your store. Remember, you get the world's largest print-on-demand network, 140 plus print partners in 32 countries. So you're going to sell globally, but produce locally. Lots of great editing and design tools, and of course, high quality products. So you see the link directly below this video. Make sure you jump right in. You get that discount. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them personally. But otherwise, I hope this helps you make a ton of money with print on demand, and I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks a lot.